Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. In this video, I'm going to be memory planning for the week of September 21st in my medium vertical Recollections planner, and this is a kit by Dash of Sun Designs. So if you would like to see how I already laid down this kit, like in my pre-plan basically with me, I will have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so that you can, check out how I've already laid down these stickers. But for this video, I'm just going to be going in day by day and filling in all of these blank spots in my planner with my stickers and, my memories, things that I did during the day. So let's get started with Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and start by taking a couple of flags from the kit and then just kind of layering them together, although I don't know why. I mean, you can barely see because I chose like a white flag underneath. So I don't know. I just thought it looked kind of cute layering the flags. And then I'm going to take a sneaker from Wild Summer Designs, and that's a shop that I PR for. So you can check the description box for all of these shops that I'm mentioning, as well as my discount codes to save you some money. So that's just to mark that I completed my 30 days of yoga with Adriene over on YouTube. I actually found out later that I had like a yoga sticker from another shop, and I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. So anyways, I do go back and like add that later, but I don't think I did that on camera. But anyways, I couldn't find it. So for the time being, I just figured like a shoe, like athletic, whatever. And then I'm going to take a little side bow from Simply Watercolor Co. because I thought it really cute, kind of like put at the bottom there, like as if, like you tied the laces, even though the tie would be at the top. Anyways, I did complete my 30 days of yoga with Adriene, which is just like a yoga challenge that I set out to do on YouTube. And I'm very happy I did it. And actually, I'm going to continue doing yoga, just maybe not the 30 days of yoga or whatever, but like I'm going to go to Adriene's channel to like, find some more yoga to do. For my gratitude Monday, I was grateful for the Raiders winning because it's pretty awesome, having a team for my city now. And I was glad that they won the game on Monday. On Tuesday, I'm going to go ahead and lay down one of these little arrow thingies from the kit, but I'm going to change the color because I have these cute scalloped corners from Cozy Paper Co. in colorways that actually match this kit very well. And so I was really excited to use them. And I didn't want it to be the same color as the arrow. So I'm going to take the orangey arrow and then that cute little scallop from Cozy Paper Co. is another shop that I PR for. And then here's a Wild Summer Designs freebie with this cute little leaf I thought I would add to that. And that's just a freebie I got from an order. And I just wrote in pumpkin spice scones because I did a little baking on Tuesday since it was the first day of autumn and it was the pagan Sabbat in the blend. So I wanted to make some nice little pumpkin spicy kind of thing. So I did that. And then I wrote for my gratitude harvest blessings, or well, I just wrote bless because I couldn't fit it. But yeah, I'm just grateful for it to be the first day of autumn. And I just love fall and winter. They're my favorite seasons. So that's it for Tuesday. Moving on to Wednesday, I'm going to take a little scalloped corner from the kit, as well as an RX bottle and a refill prescription script from Cozy Paper Co. Because we had to go and refill some meds for my husband. So I just wrote underneath it for hubs because I kind of I'm starting to get confused who we're refilling meds for, because like all of us take medicine, and like I was looking at my planner last week, it said refill medicine or, prescription refill. And I was like, wait, who is that for? Anyways, so I just wrote for hubs underneath. And then didn't have like a lot more to mark in my planner. So when I don't have a lot to mark, I will just kind of like mark just kind of, I don't know, mundane things that I kind of do maybe every day or wouldn't normally mark in my planner, but just didn't really have a super eventful day. So I'm taking this little lunch bag from the Giving Girl and then just a box from the kit and wrote get lunch because we went and got my son's little school lunch for the day because we Monday through Friday the school district provides lunches for the kids, so we just go and get it every day. Then I'm going to take a half box from the kit and then a little popcorn icon from Cozy Paper Co. But I thought I'd write on it first just because it's kind of hard to write by the quill, So I thought I was just going to put it on the sticker backing or whatever of the, kit and then just write on it first. And I just wrote Super 8, and that's because my husband and I watched a movie on Wednesday. We were watching it to see if it was a good enough, it wasn't going to be too bad to watch with my son because it's a PG-13 one. But there was a little bit of explicitness and a little bit of drugs and stuff, so we're like, let's not. But it was a good movie. I recommend it. Anyways, then I'm taking another shoe from Wild Summer Designs and then this gorgeous Take a Walk script from the Giving Girl underneath a flag from the kit. just to mark that my son and I took a nice stroll, you know, in the neighborhood after dinner on Wednesday. And I wrote for my gratitude being active, because I'm happy that I'm more active than I was before. Thursday, I am taking a box from the kit and then one of these little foiled stethoscopes from Dashers and Designs, because I had to go and get my chest x-ray done on Thursday, just as a routine like thing, so that I could be referred to my pulmonologist for asthma. My new doctor said like it was mandatory, and I already had another pulmonologist, but unfortunately because we switched insurances, they don't accept it, so I have to see another pulmonologist. Anyways, so I just had to jump through some hoops and get that chest x-ray done. Anyways, then I'm going to take the other arrow from the kit, as well as this adorable pumpkin-y book stack thing from Shop Jessica Hearts. And I love my transparent icons. As you can see, it's a transparent one. It's got the cute little pumpkin next to it. It's so cute. And the colors of the books really match the kit well. It's so pretty. And then another little side bow from Simply Watercolor Co. just to mark that we finished The Third Kingdom, which is the series that my husband and I are reading together. And it is the second book of a 4-part series from the same stories we've been reading for a really long time. So, whoops, just dropped my pen. We're halfway done. And then I'm going to take one of these beautiful like leaf kind of decorations from Honey Inked. This is actually the Rachel sampler from Honey Inked, and she's got lots of beautiful stickers on there. So I'm just going to use that under there because I thought it looked cute. And then for my gratitude, I wrote Third Kingdom because I thought it was a really good book. And I checked off the chest x-ray in my sidebar. For Friday, I'm going to go ahead and start with this box from the kit. And then I'm going to get an Instant Pot from Wild Summer Designs. These are her hand-drawn doodles. I love them because I love my Instant Pot. And I'm going to take a side bow from from Simply Watercolor Co. over the Instant Pot. And I just wrote in boiled eggs because you know what, I didn't really have anything else to mark. But I'm always happy when I use my Instant Pot because it boils eggs like so perfectly, and they peel so easily. I freaking love it. For my gratitude, I was just grateful that I did all of my to-dos because I had a really long list of to-dos on Friday. I just couldn't fit that in my planner, you know, so the only thing I put in was the eggs. For Saturday, I'm just checking off my checklist, and then I'm going to take a box from the kit and then a candle hand-drawn doodle from Wild Summer Designs. Because we had to stop at Bath & Body Works after work so I could exchange one of the candles because I didn't really like the scent after I burned it. By the way, that Band-Aid you just saw suddenly appear was because somehow I cut myself opening my X-Acto knife when all I did was like pull the cap off of it. So weird, I don't know. Anyways, so I'm taking that candle, and then I'm also going to take this cute little, you know, leaf deco thing again from Honey Inked, and then another type of side bow from Simply Watercolor Co. Although I got these ones from her little fall $2 Tuesday, so it's like this cute little side bow with a little pumpkin. And then I'm writing in my half box there. I leave that blank. I put it down and I leave it blank just because we always watch a movie Saturday night and I like to write it in. And so I watched Practical Magic for the first time. I thought it was really cute and charming. It felt a little rushed, so I wish it kind of wasn't so rushed, but it was a really cute movie. And so I wrote that for my gratitude too, because, you know, a lot of people love that movie, and I wanted to see it, and I was really happy to see it. And it was, you know, like I said, it was so cute, and like, you know, I can see, especially with the nostalgia, if I had watched that when I was a kid, I would absolutely see myself loving that movie too. And I just want to live with the ants and eat chocolate cake for breakfast too, okay? It was a cute movie. Anyways, for Sunday, I had to return the book that my husband and I had finished on Thursday. So we went to the library to return the book. So I'm just using a box from the kit and then a stack of books from Cozy Paper Co. from a $1 Wednesday. And then I'm going to take a half box from the kit and then one of those cute scalloped corners from Cozy Paper Co. as well as a little package box thing from Cozy Paper Co. because I needed to prep some orders to go and drop off at the post office because I had sold some like Simply Gilded washi stuff on the buy sell trade, and so I wanted to prep those orders and get them ready to ship out on Monday. And that is it, pretty much everything for this whole memory plan with me. Oh, for my gratitude Sunday, I just wrote being a mom because I was like, you know, in my feels being a mom. So anyways, that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did because it really helps my channel out and I really appreciate your support. Definitely subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos. Here is that beautiful slow wiggle of gorgeous foil after the pen. Definitely leave me a comment down below if you have a question about anything or if you just want to say hi and chat, and I'll say hi back because I respond to all my comments. All right, anyways, I hope that y'all take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!